Okay, based on the previous formulas, take the example. The number of discontinuity points of step of sin x plus cos x in open 0 comma 25. So between 0 comma 25, this function has how many discontinuity points? See here, because it is the step function, we just follow the formula. What is the formula? So step of f of x is discontinuous where this f of x is integer. So first of all, we have to go for the range of sin x plus cos x. So sin x plus cos x, first find out range. What is the range of sin x plus cos x in general? Minus 1 by root sorry, minus root 2 comma root 2, because a sin x plus b cos x plus c formula, c minus root over a square plus b square, c plus root over a square plus b square. So c is 0, so a square plus b square means here 1, so 1 plus 1, like that. So between minus root 2 comma root 2, how many integers are there? It is the number line 0 1, it is root 2, it is minus 1 minus root 2. So between minus root 2 comma root 2, 3 integers are there. So that means when it becomes to discontinuous means when sin x plus cos x is equal to 0 and 1 and minus 1. So go for sin x plus cos x is equal to 0, then find the value of x. So when sin x plus cos x is equal to 0, this summation becomes to 0 means sin x and cos x should be opposite signs in the same quadrant and at the same value. Okay, so in second quadrant q1, q2 and q4 both have opposite sign, and at the same values with the opposite signs it will becomes to 0. Okay, so in q2 actually both have same values means principal value is 1 by root 2. Okay, for 1 by root 2 is nothing but x is equal to 5 by 4. So if you want to get the second quadrant, 5 minus 5 by 4. So 5 minus 5 by 4 means what? 3 5 by 4, one of the value. And the fourth quadrant means same at 1 by root 2 only, opposite signs. So 2 5 minus 5 by 4. 2 5 minus 5 by 4 means 7 5 by 4. So in Q2, Q4, you get between 0 comma 2 5 only, these two values. So this becomes to 0 only. Because at 3 5 by 4 sin is 1 by root 2, cos is minus 1 by root 2. At 7 5 by 4 sin is minus 1 by root 2, cos is 1 by root 2. Okay, next one. Sin x plus cos x is equal to 1. When it becomes to sin x plus cos x is equal to 1, once you checked out. When sin x is sin x value 1, cos x value is 0. And it is possible sin 5 by 2, sin 5 by 2 1, same at cos 5 by 2 0. Okay, so 5 by 2 is one of the value. So that is only the value. Or in other words, cos is 1 and sin is 0. Cos 1 it is possible. Cos 1 means cos 0. Okay, sin 0 is 0, but 0 is not included. So only 5 by 2. Next, sin x plus cos x is equal to minus 1. So sin x plus cos x is equal to minus 1 means when sin is 0, cos is minus 1. Where it is possible, sin is 1 and sin is 0 and cos is minus 1 at 5. Cos 5 value minus 1, sin 5 value 0. And one more, sin is minus 1 and cos is 0. So sin is minus 1 when it is possible, 3 5 by 2. And cos is 0. So 3 5 by 2 also one of the value. So these are only the solutions. So at x is equal to, so x belongs to 3 5 by 4, 5 by 2, 5, 3 5 by 2, 7 5 by 2, it is discontinuous. Okay. Next question is number of discontinuity number of discontinuity points of step of 2x cube minus 6 in open 1 comma 2. See here, discontinuity points, it is a step of f of x. When it becomes to 0, that means integers, when it becomes to integer, so there for those values of x, it is discontinuity. So first of all, the maximum minimum values of 2x cube minus 6 we have to find out between 1 comma 2. Okay, how can you find out this one? So it is the function, let us take f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 6. For 2x cube minus 6, maximum or minimum value, if you want to say directly between the intervals, whenever it is increasing or decreasing function, we can say easily. Only increasing or decreasing function. Okay, not for continuity, we can't decide it easily. Okay, so if you say it is increasing or not decreasing, so we have to differentiate it. So f dash of x we have to find out. What is f dash of x? 6 to 3 is 6x square, minus 6 means 0. 6x square, x square is positive, so this is always greater than 0. So always greater than 0 means it is increasing function. Clear? Whenever it is increasing function, then maximum minimum values between 1 comma 2 is nothing but f of 1 and f of 2. So this is nothing but f of 1 means 2 minus 6 minus 4. F of 2 means, so 2 cube means 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 minus 6 minus 4 comma 10. Okay. So between minus 4 comma 10, how many integers are there? First we have to check it out. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. You know very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10 are there. So 10 we should not consider 9. But for all these values, it is discontinuous. How many values are there? Once you check it out. How can you find out? So 10 minus of minus 4, very shortcut method. Big one minus small one plus 1, and you should not consider the extremes, so minus 2 we have to take. 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 1, 15 minus 2, that is equal to 13 is your required answer. Okay, 13 points are there between 1 comma 2 for this function is discontinuous. So next theoretical definition. Theoretically, the function f is continuous at a belongs to R. Okay, that means if f of x be any function you take and a is any real number you take. Okay, f of x be a function and a belongs to R. Okay, so then we can say f of x is continuous at point A. Okay, then f of x is said to be continuous at point A if first one, this A should be domain of f of x. A belongs to domain of f of x. Second one is limit extends to a f of x exists, and the third one should be limit extends to a f of x should be equal to f of a. If these three hold, and that means this a should be in the domain of f of x, and limit extends to f of x exists, and limit extends to f of x should be equal to f of a, then f of x is continuous. Otherwise, that means what? Otherwise means if limit extends to f of x does not exist, or limit extends to f of x is not equal to f of a, if any one of these two cases not hold, then f of x is not continuous. Okay, take an example. if f of x is equal to 2 power x plus 2 minus 16 by 4 power x minus 16 is continuous at x is equal to 2, then find f of 2. So he is only saying it is continuous at x is equal to 2. Is continuous at x is equal to 2 means what can you consider? Of course, at x is equal to 2, that 2 will be in the domain of f of x directly. So he is only given. So and he is asking to find out f of 2. So it is continuous means limit x tends to a, that is limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. So limit x tends to f of x, this is nothing but limit x tends to 2, what it will be? 2 power x plus 2 minus 16 by 4 power x minus 16. Substitute 2 here, 2 power 2 plus 2, 2 power 4, 16 minus 16, 0. 4 square, 16 minus 16, 0, 0 by 0 form. So it will be in the form of 0 by 0 form. So, but it is continuous. So limit is exist. So apply L'Hospital rule. Okay. So this is equal to limit x tends to 2. So a power x formula, a power x into log a to the base e. Minus 16 means 0. Actually, in the place of x, x plus 2, x plus 2 differentiation is 1 only. So 2 power x plus 2 into log 2 by, here 4 power x means 4 power x into log 4. So log 4, okay, write 2 log 2 you can write. So this is equal to limit x tends to 2 power x plus 2 into log 2 by 4 power x also we can write, 2 power 2x you can write. This one you can write as 2 log 2 you can write. Log 2 get cancelled. So this value becomes 2 limit x tends to 2 power x plus 2, 2 power 2x plus 1 denominator. So totally we can get 2 power. In other words, if you substitute 2 directly, what you get? What you get? So 2 power 2 plus 2, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16 by, it is 2 power 4. It is also 16 into 2. 16 cancel. This is equal to 1 by 2. So f of 2 is equal to what the value? 1 by 2. Okay. So like that we have to do the problems. Next one is second type definition. So first one what you discussed, limit x tends to a, f of x exists, and limit x tends to f of x is equal to f of x. That is direct way. So second method, second theoretical method. First suppose clearly, briefly you are taking here. In second method you are taking clearly. Okay. If limit x tends to a minus f of x, that is left hand limit. Limit x tends to a plus f of x, that is right hand limit, is equal to f of a, is equal to f of a, then we can say f is continuous at x is equal to a. In the previous definition directly you said if limit x tends to f of x exists. So limit x tends to f of a exists in the sense here these two should be equal, and those are finite values. Okay, that one only we are discussing. So if you have like this, this is continuous at x is equal to a. Otherwise means at least one of them doesn't hold. At least one of them. At least one of them means 1 or 2 or all 3 does not exist. At least one of them does not exist. These are very, very important to say continuity. Or second one, at least 2 of them not equal. Not equal. That means if these two are not equal, or these two are not equal, or these two are not equal. At least 2 of them are not equal, all are not equal. All are not equal. Then it is not continuous. So based on this one, we take one example here. See, check the continuity of f of x is equal to x sin x if 0 less than or equal to 0 less than x less than or equal to 5 by 2 into sine of 5 plus x if 5 by 2 less than x less than 5. Previous method is useful for direct quotient. This method is useful for piecewise functions. These are piecewise functions. If they given 2 functions, 3 functions, 4 functions like this between the intervals, it is going to change. So then this procedure is useful to you. Okay, at x is equal to, what is asking? At x is equal to 5 by 2, is it continuity or not? You have to check it out. See, first of all, at x is equal to 5 by 2, left hand limit x tends to 5 by 2 minus you take. 5 by 2 minus r, 5 by 2, you have to consider this function. Is equal to left hand limit I am writing, is equal to limit x tends to 5 by 2 minus x sin x we have to take. It is f of x. The f of x is nothing but x sin x. Substitute here x tends to 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2 into sin 5 by 2 value 1 anyhow, that is 5 by 2. Right hand limit, what it becomes to? Limit x tends to 5 by 2 plus f of x. What is f of x here? 5 by 2 plus means more than 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into sine of 5 plus x. So at 5 plus 5 by 2 plus, this is the function. Substitute here, what you get? So 5 by 2 into sine of 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 5 plus 5 by 2. That is 3 5 by 2. Sin 3 5 by 2 value is minus 1. So this will becomes to minus 5 by 2. So even without finding a f of 5 by 2. What is f of 5 by 2? That is also 5 by 2 only. So same value you have to consider. That is 5 by 2. Even left hand limit and f of 5 by 2 both are equal. But left hand limit, right hand limit not equal. So it is not continuous. So discontinuous. Not continuous at x is equal to 5 by 2. Clear? Next one is some standard models. Very, very important. See here, first one. Okay, standard models here. First model is, by seeing the question only, we can say the answer. So if f of x is equal to x power n into sine 1 by x or x power n into cos 1 by x, if x not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, is continuous, is always continuous at x is equal to 0 if n is greater than 0. Okay, so it should be greater than 0, enough. Now it will be greater than 0. So if we take x square into sine 1 by x, x cube into sine 1 by x, whatever more than 0. Okay, so this will be always continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, here you have to observe again n is positive or not, enough. Okay, second important model is f of x is equal to some other function f of x, whatever they given. This is capital F of x. If x is rational, they make you like this. This is very, very important model. Rational means instead of this one, they make you x belongs to q. G of x, if x is irrational. For irrational, they make you x belongs to q dash or q power c. Okay, is continuous at the point where these two functions are equal. Is continuous at the value for which f of x is equal to g of x. Very, very important. Based on this one very clearly you can just assume one question. If they given x cube into sine 1 by x, if x is not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0 is continuous or not at x is equal to 0. Yes, it is continuous at x is equal to 0. If I given x power minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 3, minus 4, sine 1 by x, if x is not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0 is continuous or not? Not. It is not continuous. Here for this one, you take one example. Example 1. F of x is equal to some x if x is belongs to q, that is minus x if x belongs to q dash, is continuous at x is equal to dash. Second question, f of x is equal to sin x if x belongs to q, cos x if x belongs to q, is continuous at x is equal to. Third question, f of x is equal to 2 if x belongs to q, minus 2 if x does not belong, sorry, x belongs to q dash, is continuous or discontinuous, or if continuous, where? Okay. See the first question. Here x and minus x. This is rational, this is irrational. So where it is continuous means if this is function f of x, here x, just compare with this one, g of x minus x. So when x is equal to minus x, it is continuous. So x is equal to minus x, when it is possible, x plus x, 2x is equal to 0. That is x is equal to. So it is continuous at x is equal to 0. Next, second one. Sin x and cos x. See here, sin x is equal to cos x. So for our convenience, transpose this side cos x. That is sin x by cos x, tan x is equal to 1. Tan 1 is at 5 by 4. So general solution is x is equal to n5 plus 5 by 4. So this is at x is equal to n5 plus 5 by 4. n5 plus theta, that is. Next, 2 minus 2. When it is continuous means when this f of x and g of x are equal. Is 2 is equal to minus 2, is it possible? 2 never be minus 2. 2 is not equal to minus 2. So it is discontinuous everywhere. Is discontinuous. Clear? So this is the way to find out the problems in continuity. So tomorrow I will give one more assignment. So please try to do all the problems based on limits and continuity. Okay.